Welcome. In this video, we will explore the core concepts of binary trees, a fundamental data structure in computer science. We will break down the hierarchy, terminology, and practical applications that make trees so essential for coding interviews and software engineering. A binary tree is a hierarchical data structure, which is different from linear structures like arrays or linked lists. It consists of nodes connected by edges. The most important rule to remember is that each node can have at most two children, which we call the left child and the right child. To work with trees, we need to speak the language. The top node is the root. Nodes connected downwards are children, and the node above them is the parent. Nodes at the very bottom that have no children are called leaf nodes. You can also look at any part of the tree as a smaller subtree. Two properties that often confuse beginners are height and depth. The depth of a node is the number of edges from the root down to that specific node. The height of the tree is the length of the longest path from the root down to a leaf. Understanding this distinction is crucial for analyzing algorithm efficiency. There are specific types of binary trees you should know. A full binary tree is one where every node has either 0 or 2 children. No node has just one. A complete binary tree is filled completely on all levels, except possibly the last one, which must be filled from left to right. Moving on to special structures. A perfect binary tree is perfectly symmetrical. All internal nodes have 2 children, and all leaves are at the same level. A balanced binary tree is one where the height difference between left and right subtrees is no more than 1, which is key for performance. The binary search tree, or BSD, is perhaps the most useful variant. It follows a strict rule. For any given node, all values in its left subtree are smaller, and all values in its right subtree are larger. This ordering allows for very fast searching and sorting. To process data in a tree, we traverse it. Depth-first search has 3 main orders. Preorder visits the root, then left, then right. Inorder visits left, then root, then right. Postorder visits left, then right, and finally the root. Each order serves different computational purposes. Why do we use trees? For a balanced binary search tree, operations like search, insertion, and deletion take logarithmic time on average, which is much faster than linear options. Trees are used everywhere, from organizing files on your computer to powering database indexes and network routing. To wrap up, binary trees provide a powerful way to organize hierarchical data. They are efficient for searching and form the basis for more complex structures like heaps and graphs. Mastering trees is a major milestone in your programming journey. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.